You're not here by mistake. You're not here by accident. You're not here by coincidence. You're in the right place at the right time, and I have a very important message for you. I want to show you how to start a business on the internet. And just to let you know a little bit about me, guys, my name is James Bill, and I'm an internet marketer, digital internet marketer, and I want to share my story with you. You see, it's in the emotions that you have to sell. You don't want to sell the product. You want to sell the emotions. It's emotions that make people buy. And I didn't have a clue about this. All I thought was you can go out there and talk about your product. I have the best, greatest lotion, potion, pill out there on the planet. People don't want to hear that. They want to know what it's going to do for them, guys. But long story short, it was about 1 something in the morning, and I cracked the code. People on YouTube said it couldn't be done. I had friends in the industry, co-workers that said it couldn't be done. But I did it, guys. I cracked the code, and I'm getting the results that I desire now. And I want to share that with you to make you a believer. I want you to be able to go to sleep at night to lay on your soft pillow, knowing that you have the blueprint, the same blueprint as someone that's made $250 million online. That's my mentor, David. That's what he's done, guys. And it's proven, and I want to share that with you. So if you're serious about making a change towards freedom, a freedom lifestyle, I highly recommend that you go ahead and click on that link below. Imagine how it's going to feel getting results that you finally dreamed of, turning that dream finally into reality, walking away from that nightmare. This is what's going to happen to you, guys. So go ahead and click on the button below. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the inside.